डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रमोशन प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के द्वारा आयोजित किया गया CGF अवार्ड शॉप 2013 का आयोजन, जिसमें अलग अलग पहनावे के साथ रैंप पर उतरी मॉडल्स।
We talk of green fashion, it means fashion which can be sustainable, which is environmental friendly, eco-friendly, and which can use the least amount of processes and raw materials which damage the planet. So when we talk of a green fashion, it really means creating a totally different kind of fashion than what it is prevalent today, where you not only look at profits but also the planet and the people.
Do you think more designers are getting aware about green fashion and it's being incorporated also when it comes to actual deliverables?
Absolutely. I think more than the brands, the commercial brands, I think the designers are aware and alive of the need to use traditional crafts and fabrics and handicrafts which are more eco-friendly. Designers are alive to the dangers of non-sustainable fashion, and I think they are making very sincere efforts to create more green fashion. The problem is that there is a lot of lack of awareness, lack of resources, lack of availability and even information about where the right kind of raw materials can be obtained, where the right kind of processes can be learned. So there is a great need today, and this came out very strongly in today's conference, for a much greater interaction between the suppliers of raw materials, the designers, the design institutes, and the industry as such, which can gradually promote and increase the role of green fashion in our day-to-day fashion.
Do we see Green Consortium doing more initiatives to promote?
Absolutely, absolutely. I think it's a brilliant idea. At one stroke, it has eliminated the inter-institute differences or rivalry. At one stroke, it has brought all the design students under one roof, and I think they need to now take a greater portion of the industry with them, which is, again, we had a meeting this evening, and that is the next step that we are going to be taking, which is bringing the Green Consortium and the green concept of green fashion closer to the branded industry, closer to the commercial market and retailers. And I think once we achieve that, we would have achieved a lot of significant progress.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See, basically as a designer, I feel in every profession, wherever we can, we should address the cause of global warming, and I'm very happy to be here at Green Fashion today, because it's a very, very dear cause to my heart, and I appreciate the entire concept and the students who have been making clothes, keeping this in mind, and hopefully when they grow up and be designers, professional designers in the mainstream, I want that everybody should really address this for global warming, because this is the need of the hour, and I'm really happy to be here today.
Amy, what would you suggest, being a designer, what material would you say for people to wear on daily basis, which would promote eco-friendly fashion?
We should use a lot of cotton, but there is a lot of viscose which is now getting made in. I had a fashion show with Century where we promoted the viscose filament, which is even more biodegradable than cotton. And apart from which fabrics to use, if you could recycle your old clothes and make more use of it in a better manner, I think it will help a long way in our cause for global warming.